Flight means guilt. Yan ang mariing pahayag ni Senator JB Ejercito laban kay resigned ako Bicol Representative Saldico na iniuugnay sa bilyon-bilyong pisong flood control scandal. Sa panayam sa programang On Point sa Billionaire News Channel, hinamon ni Ejercito Siko na umuwi sa Pilipinas at humarap sa investigasyon kung wala itong kasalanan. Ayon sa senador, si Saldico umano ang mahalagang susi sa kontrobersiya.
I think flight means guilt, and if he's really not guilty, he has to come home. No matter if there's that threat. What really happened, Pinky, is really frustrating. I understand the wrath, the anger of the people. I think this is the biggest corruption, scandal, scam in the history of our country. No? And I think Saldico is one of the principal figures or the proponents in the House, and probably it was a collusion between the proponents and the DPWH officials.
Sinabi ni Ejercito na posibleng may sabwatan sa pagitan ni Ko at ilang opisyal ng DPWH. Nauna nang sinabi ng abogado ni Ko na si Attorney Rui Rondain na takot bumalik sa bansa ang dating kongresista dahil sa banta sa kanyang buhay.